We're going to finish as much as we can over here. We're probably just going to stop at 28, and I'll tell you guys what the homework problems are going to be, if at all any. Okay, 27. Okay, one way you could do this is you could grab graph paper. It's totally fine. And if you totally have forgotten the formula, grab graph paper. You just got to graph 16 to the right, 20 up, and then plot that, and then 12, and then -4 down. You can do it, and that's totally fine if you forget the formula. I want to show you another way, just because sometimes you'll be working with higher numbers, and you don't want to be plotting and counting all the way, 34 up. Like it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So I just want to remind you guys, another way you guys could do this. So I'm going to label, and I'm color coding this one. Your first point, I'm going to label this as x1, y1, and I color coded it in light green and orange yellow. Okay? And then on your second coordinates, you're going to label this as x2, y2. These are just subscripts. They're not exponents, so you're not going to square root or do anything with them. They're just names. Slope formula. This may have been taught in your guys' previous formal mathematical education, and if not, it's here right now. It is a fraction. You are going to take the differences of the y's and the differences of the x. What does that mean? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. A little small side note, this is the basis of calculus. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It all starts from here. Notice that on this formula, the negative signs need to stay put. So we're going to make it stay put. We've already labeled our values. Okay, since we labeled our values, you tell me as a class, what is your y2 value? -4. -4 minus, what is your y1 value? 20. Okay, -4 minus 20. What is your x2 value? 12. 12 minus 16. Okay, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Students, you guys are able to use the calculator. For those who are super new to that TI-84 plus CE, if you are going to do -4, at the very beginning, you have to hit the negative button down below. So again, I know some of you guys are a little bit new. So if this is your first time using the TI-84 plus CE, you got to hit the negative sign over here first. So -4, and then do -20. -20. Okay, -24. If you can do it in your head, that's totally fine, but the usage of a calculator is okay for this class. So -24 is at the numerator, the top. Someone with a calc, can someone do 12 minus 16? What is that? -4, or in your head, that's totally fine. Okay, be careful. What is -24 divided by -4? Is it -6 or +6? It's 6. Why is it 6? Negative divided by negative is equal to a positive. Okay, so please be careful. Oh, I don't have space, sorry. M is equal to 6. On side note, what this means is if you were to graph this specific line, you're going to go 6 up, 1 to the right. M value of 6. Okay. I'm going to try to teach this in 3 more minutes because a certain group got to go today. Let's do number 28 very quick. X1, X2, Y1, Y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's go ahead and start putting in some numbers. What is your y2 value? 13 minus, what is your y1 value? So look at how I write it. 13 minus negative 3. That is correct. We're going to change it a little bit. x2 is negative 12 minus x1, 7. In your previous formal mathematical education, a minus negative turns into positive. 13 plus 3. Yes. And then can someone do the bottom, negative 12 minus 7? What is that? Negative 19. Thank you. So your slope, and it's okay to have the negative on the bottom. That's totally fine. If you want to move it to the top, it is okay. Or to the side, it doesn't matter. But this will suffice. This is okay. Can we divide 16 and 19 by... I don't think so. 19 is a prime number. Yeah. We can't do too much. I am going to stop teaching for today.